Hey first graders, so today we're going to be kind of playing with shapes to make new shapes, and these new shapes are called composite shapes because we're kind of composing, like putting together different shapes to make new shapes that we don't even know yet. So first we're going to make some shapes. So I have a piece of red paper. You could use colored paper, you can use white paper. If you do not have scissors, you can just draw your composite shapes on a piece of paper. But if you have scissors, get those out. And the first step is going to be to fold the paper in half and cut right down the middle like that. Okay, your next step is on the one piece of paper, we're gonna make a couple circles. So you're gonna need something to trace probably that's a circle, or you can just try to draw a circle the best you can. I'm gonna use this vase because it has a nice circular bottom. And I'm gonna make two circle shapes. So now we're going to take the other piece, the other half of the paper that we had, and I just want a small rectangle. So I'm just gonna fold this down a little bit. So there's a kind of a line right there. And I'm just gonna cut out a smaller rectangle up here. It's okay if yours is not the exact same size as mine. Here's my rectangle. So for this rectangle, we're actually gonna make some triangles out of it. So what I want you to do is take one of your top corners and fold it down. Let's see what I'm doing here. Till the lines line up there and make a triangle. Like that. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side and make another triangle. So there's two triangles. Now, this part's a little confusing. Fold it in half. And then when you unfold, you'll see that there's 4 triangles that you can cut out, and you're going to cut those out. All right, so now you have 4 different triangles, and you have 2 circles. Oh, one of the circles we're going to cut into fourths, because that will make some different shapes that we can play with. So to cut a circle into fourths, you can fold it in half, and then fold it in half again, and then open it up and cut along those lines. All right, now we have a circle that's in fourths. We have a full circle, and we have 4 triangles. And I'm going to show you with my phone the next step that we do with these shapes.
All right, so I have my shapes in front of me. I'm going to use whichever ones I want to make a new shape. So you don't have to use all of them. You can, but you're going to kind of play around with them and figure out a new shape you could make. All right, so I kind of like this shape. Now, if you have tape or glue, you can stick that shape together. All right, and now I have my new shape. My new shape doesn't have a name. I could give it a name, but it's a shape that I made out of different shapes. So it's called a composite shape. What I want you to do with your composite shape is trace it and make a design of it on a piece of paper. So I'm going to pause the video and show you what I come up with. All right, so after you trace your shape on your paper, you're going to keep going and putting it different ways to make a design. So let's see. I think I'm going to try to do my neck shape coming down like this.
All right, so my composite shape design looks like this. I only did 2 different tracings of my shape. You can do as many as you'd like. You could fill the whole page with your shape. If you would like to make more shapes with the rest of your pieces, that's totally okay. You can go ahead and do as many as you would like. Today there's no math journal page, but what I would love for you to do, if you can, if your parents are there, is have your parents take a picture of you with your design and send it to your regular classroom teacher on Remind so they can see what you've done. And I'll see you all tomorrow for more math. Bye.